a solid fish, and it was stuck in these bommies and totally backed off the drag and let it swim out. And there was a fair bit of swell, so it was just pushing the fish in and in and in.
Are you still on? Hit him, mate. Hit him. Give him a hit, Captain. And you got the most dodgy ledge.
That ledge is actually near impossible to land a good fish.
I know. Oh! Before he goes around. Yes! You got him there. You got him. Oh, boy. Wait, is he going right? He's going right again, bro. Get it, Tammy! Yes, he's in. What is it? Oh, yeah. Oh! How are we going to do this? Come up, run up, run up. Is that a queenie? Wait, you can fully fucking land in here. Fuck yeah. Yes. Boy, he's big. He's big, man. Ah! Hey, bro. Good?
Yeah. It kicked off and everything. That was sketchy.
Really? Wait, you got blood just coming off your hand and shit.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
Oh shit.
How do you even get up here, man? You were on oyster rocks doing cartwheels, man.
Yeah, on that bit.
Boy, this spot's actually not very good for landing fish. Yeah. Boy, this spot's psycho for landing fish.
I think this spot's just psycho in general.
Gabby's still in a death hole.
How was that?
That was great. I tried to throw the lure up into a rock crevice. It fell down and was dangling on your body.
I knew about it. Just so constantly trying to get away from
Oh,